Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do a comparison because both Philippines and the UK, they love desserts. They love their snacks. They love their sweet treats. This is Puto. It's found all over the Philippines. It's made from rice flour, is that correct?
Yeah, rice.
You made it, didn't you?
Yes.
It's different ones. And this is before you do the reveal, let's show the people to see what it is because she's very excited because of the name. Can you tell what this is? This is found all over the UK. It's actually over 100 years old, the dessert, and you can have it with custard, you have it with cream, or you can just have it on its own. The version we've got is a simple version that you put in a microwave. I brought it for Shay to try, and well, last chance. Can you tell what that is? Would you like to tell the people, the good people, what you're eating?
Spaghetti.
That's right. Please don't take this video off the internet, YouTube. Today, my wife is eating spotted dick. It's first time, isn't it?
This is my first time.
First time eating spotted
Let's
dick.
try.
It's already been microwaved for 30 seconds. Hopefully it will come out of the pot. Oh, it did. Perfect. Wow. Look at that.
Sure.
Look.
Ching.
Spotted dick.
This is the spaghetti.
And
Why is it taste?
yeah, exactly. What does the spotted dick taste like, sweetie? We're about to find out.
First, you put the cream.
Put your cream. What cream did you go for in the end? Double cream.
Double cream, yeah. Look at that. So delicious. Cover. Let's try, guys.
Before she jumps in and eats the whole thing, I'd like to explain the name. It's called spotted dick because, as I said, it's quite an old dish, and the name Dick, it actually refers to Richard. Not too sure who Richard is, but that's the name. Also, it means dessert. It's the one, especially in the north part of England. It's that dessert is actually the dick part, if you like. And the spotted, well, that's, you want to show the people inside. It's raisins and sultanas. So that's the spotted.
That's nice. It's really nice.
What does it taste like?
Puto, like that?
Oh, is it puto like this? Oh, okay. Ready? I'm going to try this one.
You like puto?
Yeah. Puto is delicious. Yeah, I think it's a similar texture to your one.
Nice with cream, huh?
It's quite spongy, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is spongy too. Right. Yeah, it's got the more of the texture of rice because, of course, it's made from rice. This one is made from, I think it's made from suet, which is something that's grown in the colder climates. Because, of course, we don't have things like barley as much because, well, climate. How would you rate that?
To be honest, this is really nice. I like it. 10.
Wow.
I like this.
High praise.
It's not really sweet.
High praise indeed, sweetie.
I
10.
like this one.
Oh.
Or 9 to 10.
Wow. Is it more nice than the eaten mess? Or different?
I like that too. I think it's I think 20.
20 out of 10? Wow. Yeah, this is more of a what's the word for a lagao? That's the word I'm looking for. This is more of like a lagao type dessert. You know, you have lagao
Well, for
wherever.
me, this is the one I like. I like this one, but I don't know. You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I mean, I used to eat this in school. For when I was in primary school, elementary school, my school
We try
dinners.
with cream. I like with cream.
With cream.
I like with cream.
I think you made a good choice there. When I had this in school, we have to have it with custard or cream.
Which one is much better, cream or custard?
They're both nice. Depends on your preference. I think cream is nice, especially in hot weather. With custard, you have to warm it up. Okay, yellow one.
Sarap.
Masarap also.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Puto.
So would you have spotted dick again?
Yeah. Definitely I like it.
Ow, you're right.
Right.
Laugh heads. And on that note, guys, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and I'm taking Shay to the hospital. Until the next video, take care.
Bye bye.